Hello there, I'm Jay from CCRV in Wisbech. We're here today to talk about the RV comfort thermostat. Unfortunately, they're not as easy to operate as the older systems. They are simple when you get to the hang of them, but I'm going to show you a few tips today on what the do's and don'ts. So we're going to start off with the system in the off position, so there's no functions on. Now we're in zone 1. This trailer's only got one zone, so it doesn't change. The bigger trailers have 2 zones. So if by some reason there is 2 zones, you need to be in zone 1 for your heating. So first thing is we're going to push system. Now it's gone on to cool. Now that top there has to be in auto. If it's not in auto, when you put the heating on, the aircon fans are going to come on to recirculate with the heating. You don't want that. A, you use a lot of power, but B, it's annoying, so you don't want to do that. So we're in cool auto. So if you wanted to operate now, you would just put your temperature down below your room temperature and the aircon will automatically click in and out. That's why the auto function's for. So then we come down from that, fan height. So actually we'll go back, just go back, auto. Right, fan height, and we will go down, we'll push heat. So we're now on heat off. So then go mode again, and it says gas. Now, sometimes you can push mode, and it says electric. Now, all the smaller trailers, the Rockwoods and stuff like, unless they're 42 feet, they don't have electric heat pumps. So that aircon's now come on, and that click's come on, but they don't have heat pumps in them. So you're basically, again, you're just pulling in air from outside. So go back to heat off, and then heat gas. The aircon will go off in a moment because we're on auto, and then when that clicks out, now in a second, that's come on, that will start to purge the system, and then the heating will click in. We've got it set up, we'll bring it down a little bit. Again, the up and down toggles is how you operate it, and it's as simple as that. And again, set your temperature. When it's on, the flame will come on. When it's off, the flame will go off. Straightforward. And then to turn it off again, you've got 2 ways of doing it. You can go mode to off, or you can turn the system off altogether like that. That's it.
As easy as that, Jay?
Yeah, as easy as that. Watch it in slow-mo.